Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your iPhone isn't downloading apps after updating to iOS 27, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through 4 simple fixes that can help solve the problem. Just follow these methods one by one and hopefully your apps will start downloading again. Solution 1. Sign out of your Apple ID and sign back in. First, open Settings and tap on your Apple ID at the top. Now scroll all the way down and tap Sign Out. Then tap Sign Out but don't raise. Tap Continue. Continue anywhere. Now enter your Apple ID password if prompted. Once you are signed out, wait for about 30 seconds, then sign back in with your Apple ID. Sometimes the App Store stops working properly because of a temporary account sync issue, and sign out and back in is enough to fix it. Solution 2. Change the app's download setting. If that didn't work, go to Settings, then scroll all the way down and open Apps. Tap App Store and select Apps Download. Make sure Always Allow is selected. If it's set to a different option, it can prevent apps from downloading normally. Solution 3. Turn airplane mode on and off. Now let's try a quick network refresh. Open the control center. Turn airplane mode on. Wait for a few seconds and then turn it back off. This refreshes your network connection, and if the problem is related to your internet connection, this simple step can often fix it. Solution 4. Reset network settings. If you are still having the same issue, the last fix is to reset your network settings. Go to Settings, then General, select Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset and choose Reset Network Settings. Keep in mind that this will remove your saved Wi-Fi password and other network settings, but it won't delete your photos, apps, or any personal data. So guys, these are the 4 best ways to fix apps not downloading on iOS 27. If one of these methods worked for you, let me know in the comments which one solved the problem. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more iPhone tips and fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.